Today I will show you how to change username on Instagram, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Instagram application. The next thing will be to go to your profile by clicking on the icon at the far right of the bottom navigation. Now once you're here, you're going to click on edit profile. Under edit profile, you can see where it says username. Now here it says in most cases you'll be able to change your username back to the previous username for another 14 days, and you can edit username up to 5 times in 30 minutes. Your username is visible to everyone. So here you're going to change the username here, and then you're going to put in the username that you want, and once you're done, you're going to click on done at the top navigation far right, and your username should change once it's here. I don't want to change it because it's a business page and I don't want it to uh, be affected for 14 days. But that's how to change your username on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.